You wanna run Google Ads directly through GoHighLevel but don't know where to start or how to connect your account? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to connect Google Ads in GoHighLevel so you can start capturing leads and running campaigns seamlessly, even if you are completely new in GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. So once you are inside in GoHighLevel, then click on this marketing from this left side panel and move to this ad manager. Now here you will see there are some options for the Google, for the Facebook. So I have already connected my Facebook, but I am going to go with this Google. So just click on this connect Google and it will open this pop-up and just confirm your Gmail here. So you can see our Gmail account is connected with this GoHighLevel account, but we don't have any ad account for this Gmail. So if you want, then you can create a ad account from this. Now from here you can create a Google ad account, but if you are here to connect your Google account or the Google ad account, then obviously you have one, so I'm not going to show that. So basically that's it. This is how you can easily add your Google ad with GoHighLevel. So after connecting this, you can see there is an option to get started. You will be able to click on that, and after that it will automatically connect with your GoHighLevel and the Google ad account. So that's it. Basically this is how you can easily connect. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.